Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you? Hope you guys all are doing well. Uh, your friend one more time has come up with targets on our Bitcoin, and I hope in my last video I suggested couple of targets already. So my understanding is this is on those targets, BTC is already trading, right? So my understanding right now is still we have FOMC. It didn't do much today. We see 4 hour candle got sold this morning. Then we see very small buy until 11, and then again we see a big uh you know big candle on this one, right? So all I wanted to say is that the targets on BTC remain same. There are not many changes. So what I can suggest is this order block, right, which is 89, sitting at 89 and 700, which is a new order block right now, right? And we do see this order block has been tapped 1, 2, 3, and 4. So four confirmation we got already on this particular level. So market don't want to go beyond this particular order block, which is kind of confirmation that it started to consolidate. Every time it comes, it tested this order block, and then again we see a buying. So something is sitting here which is keep buying the Bitcoin, right? So, and that's very important to understand in the market whether the buy is coming or not. So this is a confirmation that we see this order block, and then again this order block has got confirmation. So we see this kind of when we see this kind of buying in the market, then definitely there is some big player sitting right over here. And so far this candle I can see is this candle seems to be good, right? And that's what I wanted to say, that whenever you see this kind of a structure, there is a possibility, because tomorrow we are going into the FOMC, right? So that's what important is, because tomorrow it can be done anything, right? We see a bearish engulfing here, and now if you see, right, let me make it more. We see a bearish engulfing right over here. It eat up all those three candles, but since this particular bullish candle still has a lot of buyer, which which ask bulls as soon as it sees it has reached to the levels right over here, because this is where the candle starts, right? So this bullish candle still shows that there is a demand in the market, right? So my target remains same. My target is still 94,291, but it has to cross this particular 92,288 level, and this is important in the market. If market wouldn't able to cross this, then it would be hard for market to survive, and if the rejections, we see the rejection over here, then it will try to go down again, right? So all we have to do is wait for the market to make new lows, right? And if I see, look at 15 minutes, right? So you can, if you want to open a long position, again we have 90,000 or 225. That is where we have another confirmation of order block, right? However, this level 87,344 is still unmitigated. I want market to touch this level, 87,344, because this is where another block is. So on 15 minutes it made two order block right now. One is this, which is 90,000. If you are interested in buying a position, then 90,200 and 90,000 should be a stop loss, right? Otherwise, if this level, rejected, once it started to fall down, then I am assuming a small retest will come right over here, and then is a good chance that the market retraces back to 87,300. So watch for the levels, watch the BTC. Still my targets remain same. I just explain you more where the order block is sitting. This is where I would love to see buy again, 90,000 and 219, right? So I would say buy right over here, buy buy 90,200 and stop loss 90. All right, this is where I must say this is our buy zone. So it's very fairly simple, right? The $200 should be your stop loss. Acha, when to buy? So that is very important. When to buy? Suppose if the market comes here, try to break, then comes above. If it comes above this line and then again retracing, then that is the time where you have to buy. Okay, market come down, break this, right? Try to survive it in the middle, somewhere around 90,000, and then market started to consolidate and comes above this order block. Means the price of Bitcoin should be above again 90,200. Then we will start to see some more buying. Okay, and this is where the I would love to short again, because the market has rejected this particular level twice. So 90, so you have to think about it, how much target you want. So if it is 90,200, then the night target is 2,000 points for sure, right? And if it is rejected right over here, it will try it, that will be a W formation. So that W formation can be captured, right? But if the market rejected at this level, if market rejected at this level, then we can see 87,300. But always wait for confirmation. All right, so that is what I am thinking. Right, over 15 minutes I am posting these in my Discord. These are the important levels. You can always come back to my Discord and look for the levels. Let me post all those things. Over 15-minute buy and sell targets. All right, guys, so would not spend much time over it, but this is what I am thinking. The market would have to give us these kind of these are the targets which I am expecting from the market to give us back, and hopefully we will see something like this, right? And that's very important, right? So let me see one more thing right over here. Right over here, let me do one thing, because few things are always important. All right, so I have given the targets now. So I am hoping this is where it should supposed to be, right? If you have any question, you can always put it in the chat, right? I am in the chat room right now, and if you have any type of questions, you can always come. You can always post your queries. I'm here to answer your questions. Okay. So I have given the target of buy and sell side. So let's see. You know, these are important. The market rejected 90,000. Market rejected, failed. If the market failed 90,000 or reclaim, then we can see 87,300, but always wait for confirmation. So these are very important thing which I have just telling you here, right? As usual, market do what it wanted to do, but yes, that is what my job is. Whenever the market is brutal, always wait for your setups, and this is what the today's setup is. You can always come back to my Discord and join over there. That is where I posted alerts in the entire day, right? You can always come and check my alerts. You can see all historical alerts too. So that is what I wanted to share. So you have your targets and targets on both side, guys. So all I would say, all the very best for your trades. You can always come and check it, right? What is going in the market. All right, guys. So play safe, save your capital, and this is what should be the goal: save your capital. All right, guys. Thank you.